Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. The method is very simple, and you don't need any design skills. You just need a free Canva account and a few minutes. Let's start by going to canva.com. If you don't have an account, sign up using your email or Google account. It's free. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar at the top and type YouTube thumbnail. Click on the result that says YouTube thumbnail. This will open a new design window with the correct size. The size for YouTube thumbnails is 1280 pixels wide and 720 pixels tall. That's the size YouTube recommends. Now we'll choose a template. On the left side, you'll see many ready-made designs. Scroll through them until you find one that looks good for your video. If you want a clean and simple look, choose a thumbnail with large text and a clear image. For this example, I'll select a template that has a bold title and a photo on one side. Click on the template. It will appear on your canvas. Now we'll change the text to match our video. Click on the title text, delete the words, and type your own. Let's say this video is about how to organize your desk. So I'll type that as my title. You can change the font style in the top menu if you want, but for now, I'll leave it as it is. Next, we can change the image according to our title. Click on the image in the template and press delete on your keyboard. Now go to the left menu and click on Uploads. If you already uploaded your photo, you'll see it here. If not, click the Upload Files button. Pick a photo from your computer. If you don't have your own photo, you can use one from Canva. Go to Photos from the Elements tab on the left and search for something related to your video. For example, if your video is about organizing your desk, type desk or workspace in the search bar. Choose an image you like, click it, and place it in your design. Now we'll change the background color if needed. Click anywhere on the background. A color circle will show up at the top. Click it and pick a color that works well with your text and image. Try to use colors that pop but are not too bright. Make sure your text is easy to read. If you want to add extra elements like shapes or icons, go to the Elements tab on the left. You can search for things like arrows, circles, or symbols. Now double-check everything. Make sure the text is clear and big enough to read, even on a small screen. Make sure the photo looks good and nothing is cut off. Keep the design clean. Don't use too much text or too many colors. Once you're happy with your design, click the Files button at the top right. Then click Download. Make sure the file type is set to PNG. Then click the Download button again. Canva will save the file to your computer. This is the thumbnail you'll upload when you publish your video on YouTube. That's it. You now have a thumbnail that looks professional and was easy to make using Canva. Thanks for watching.